Hi, I'm Nina Sadlowsky. I'm from Germany and I work as a life and business strategist and a yoga instructor. And I've been teaming up with Thomas to build my landing pages with his website builder. And actually I needed like more than one landing page because I need like a coaching website and a landing page, something for yoga, something for essential oils. And the amazing thing about this website builder is that it's just super simple. It's, you have like templates that you can work with. You just pick and choose what you need. You create your own thing all around it. And it's just, it's quick. You can literally build like one page in an hour. And I, as I said, like have many landing pages, and I've been doing that just over a couple of weeks, and then it was all done. And Thomas was always there along the way as well to help. And if I had questions, he could give like really good input. And I think that's really valuable to have. So thank you very much, and get your landing page.